Morning. Good morning. That was a bike rider. I've got my glasses on because I am so tired. Look at these. Look at this. So tired. Oh, I can barely feel like I can barely string a sentence together. And I just wanted to jump on and say hello. I wasn't going to jump on at all. Hang on. I'm very disorganized. I need to clean my screen. I literally can't talk. I'm that tired. And I wasn't going to get on because I was like, oh, I've got nothing really to say and I can't even talk and I string a sentence together. And but I thought, no, I'm going to get on because a few people have told me recently that they really enjoy my live videos and that they get a lot out of it. So I was like, oh, I should get on because if it even helps one person, I'm getting over my tiredness. So this morning I wanted to talk to you. I can't believe how terrible I look. Oh, it's just good to show you guys too that it's like, as I've always said, it's not always full of energy, Michelle. That sometimes I get tired too, like everybody else. But I'm still out here doing it, and I'm still walking my friggin' dog, even though I'm bloody tired. And I wanted to ask if you guys are a morning person or if you're a evening person. So I'm keen to hear everyone's responses if you watch this later as well. I'd love to know what percentage is a morning person and which percentage is a night person. Because as you can see from me, I am definitely not a morning person. Never have been. I try to pretend I am, and sometimes I get up and I do okay. But generally, I'm much more alive and awake in the evening. At about 9 and 9:30, I perk up. I mean, I perk up during the day, but I get my mojo on and I get on the computer and then I get into it, and that's where I'm really clear and I'm focused and I know what I'm doing. And at 5:36 in the morning, I'm not so clear. As you can see, I can barely speak. So it's going to be a quick one because I didn't have too much to say, but I just wanted to find out from you guys where you're at and if you look like this in the morning or if it's just me. Honestly, it's like, oh, there's a cat. This could be interesting. Ellie. Oh, no, the cat's gone. Thought that could be a disaster. My other dog used to. Actually, it's so funny because we're right here at this house. Kim Hansen, if you're watching. My friend Kim in Canada. My last dog, Katie, used to hate cats. Had an obsession pretty much with cats. She would spot a cat, and if she saw a cat, she would bolt. And she was a really well-behaved dog. You could have her off the lead, you could take it anywhere, but if there was a cat, doesn't matter, she would take off. So we're walking just past that house that I just passed. That's what reminded me of this story. And next minute I'm talking with my friend Kim. Probably had a drink in my hand at the time. We used to do our afternoon walks with the UDL vodka lemon lime sodas, my favourites. So I was chatting away, talking, looking. She was beside me on my right. Next minute, a cat's obviously appeared from on my left near that house back there, and Katie just ripped the lead, took off like a bat out of hell after this cat. Because I didn't see it coming, because usually I'm watching, because if I see it I can catch it and I can hold on to her. She's a big German Shepherd. So meanwhile I get dragged, because it's a driveway like this. There's a lady out the front with the cat. I get dragged down the driveway and I'm like, Katie! And I'm like, I think I was swearing, fuck, because I'm getting pulled. And straight into this woman's car, back of this woman's car that was in the driveway. I didn't have control of the dog by this stage. So I'm arms flailing all the way down the driveway, smack bang into the back of the woman's car. Have to let go of the dog, obviously, because I don't know why I let go of the dog. And ends up, the dog just tears off inside the woman's house, because the cat takes off through the woman's house. It's a little cottage, and my dog tears off through the woman's house. Oh my God. In, through, in, out the back, into her backyard after this bloody cat. I was so embarrassed. I'm like, I'm so sorry. I can't even remember what she said, but I was absolutely mortified. I came around the corner here with Kim and cried. And I was like, oh, I'm a bad dog here. I can't control my dog. And oh God, it's funny now, but at the time it was terrible. And I'm like, I'm going to get rid of my dog. And anyway, so that was one incident. And there was another incident when I was out walking. And again, I was with Kim and I was talking to her. Hello, Debbie. I was talking to her on the main road, this one. I remember these incidents very clearly. Talking to her on the main road up here on the boulevard, walking along. Next minute, again, facing Kim, dog sees a cat, takes off again like a bat out of hell. And I get dragged this time because I didn't see it. Good morning, Vicky. I get dragged by one arm along the footpath through the bushes. And I don't know why I didn't let go, but I didn't. And I'm getting dragged like this. And smacked into, I'm pretty sure from memory, my head smacked into a wooden fence because the dog took the fence along the edge of this like acreage stuff. The dog took off after the cat under the fence, and of course I end up in the fence, on the fence with my head on the wood. And Kim is laughing, like standing there, laughing her head off like crazy, thinking it was the funniest thing she'd ever seen. I'm there crying, and yeah, it was pretty funny times. That dog was insane, but such a good dog, like not a problem dog at all, like until she saw a cat. She was that obsessed that she would look for them, and like we'd be walking past a house and there'd be like a pair of old boots sitting at the front door, and she'd go and she'd be looking because she'd think it's a freaking cat. And then I remember a couple of times we'd be walking and Kim would go, I'd hear this, cat, because she'd see the cat before me, and I'd have to hang on like with all my tight to get hold onto this bloody dog who was obsessed with the cat. I think a cat used to taunt her that she was a puppy along the fence, and I think that's why she hates cats. So I still forget that this is not Katie, this is Ellie, and she's actually not obsessed with cats. So like if that cat that just went past then, that was like 2 meters away, would have been stuffed if that was my other dog. She just looks at them, but I forget because they look the same. Anyway, that's not why I got on here this morning. I didn't get on here to talk to you about getting dragged along by cats. Dogs, oh my God, I'm so tired, I can't even speak. Cats, I can't even speak. This is why I'm not a morning person, so I can't even string a sentence together. I didn't get on here to talk to you about being dragged down the street by a dog after a cat. I can't even remember why I got on to talk to you. Oh yeah, I got on to tell you about morning people. Yeah, and so it was going to be a quick one. Oh, you missed the Diane, that was the best bit. Go back, it's not very long. Go back and watch the cat story. I was telling him about Katie and how she used to drag me down the street after when she chased cats, and Kim would stand there laughing while I had my UDL in my hand crying. And then I'd get dragged and then I'd cry on the ground and she would just laugh. It was very funny times. Anyway, that's probably more exciting than what I was going to talk about anyway. Oh, bloody dogs. Dead set, I think I should just go back to bed. I'm so out of it. I can't even see, my eyes are blurry and they're watering, and I literally can barely see where I'm going. That's how tired I am. So yes, morning people, not me. Morning person is my sister Diane, and night person, definitely me. One little quick story before I go of me and Diane on the computer at night. I'm going to stop walking. This is me typing on the computer. My eyes like ding, and I'm like, so do this and do this and do this, and this is her on the computer at 11 o'clock at night when we're trying to do meetings. She's like, huh? What are you say? I don't get it. What are you say? Like that, dead set like that. And I'm like, Diane, you gotta do this, you gotta do this. She looks at me, and I said I'll get really frustrated at her, and I'd be like, come on, don't you get it? She goes, Michelle, it's 11 o'clock at night. This would be like me trying to talk to you at 5:30 in the morning. And now I get it now, because how I feel right now is like that. Like, honestly, I can't even speak. So I'm going to get off because I'm speaking shit. Absolute shit. Oh, there's no content in this live today. It's just a live to see that life is normal and that I feel like shit in the mornings. And that's it. So hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day. Oh, Sue. Hey, Sue. And I was just telling her, I worked with Sue last night. Sue knows why I'm tired. Hey, Subi. Oh, anyway, I got to go because I got to get back to work again. And at this rate, because I'm walking at snail's pace, I'm going to be late. So love you guys, have a good morning, and I will see you at my next live video without tired eyes, hopefully. Bye.